Hey guys, welcome back to Rushalyn. Thank you guys so much for being here. Today's video is one that is well requested. This video I'm going to show you guys how to edit using your iPhone. In my last video I showed you guys how exactly to film using your iPhone. So now that you've filmed, now that you've gotten all the settings right and you have your footage, let's now edit it on the iPhone because it is possible. As I said, when you're just starting out, there's really no need to go and buy expensive equipment. You can literally use what you have until you can afford to get more. For full disclosure, these videos or these last videos that you've been seeing are actually edited on my laptop. But not to say that you can't edit on the iPhone, because for the first year or two of my YouTube journey, I actually used my cell phone to edit because I didn't have a laptop. It wasn't until after I saved and I was able to buy a laptop that I started using my laptop. So it is possible. And furthermore, a lot of the teaser videos that you see on my Instagram are actually edited using my iPhone still. So yes, it is possible. It's pretty simple. There's a learning curve, but it's nothing difficult that you can't do. So just follow along. I'm going to jump over into my phone now and let's get into that video. But before we do, remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on all social media pages at Rushalyn, and then we're ready to go. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So hey guys, welcome back to Rushalyn, and today we're gonna learn how to fry plantain. I don't know if you guys know, but plantain is literally, definitely one of my favorite things to cook and eat. To fry, to bake, to toast, to microwave. I mean, I do just about anything you can imagine with a plantain because I really love plantains. So I have a half a plantain here. You know, I'm gonna fry it off already and don't eat off. So I'm gonna show you how I'm fry the next half. You see me? So what we need? We need a knife, plantain, a cutting board. So this is plantain, right? And this is how I peel it. So I'm gonna cut some skin off. Six. So now it's clear that my plantains are finished, so I'm going to take them out before them start burning because I know say plantain unforgiving. So let's do that now. Alright guys, so there you have it. That's cooking with Rushalyn. We made plantains. I hope you guys now know how to fry plantains. Quick, simple and easy. And I just want to thank you guys, and remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Follow me on all social media pages, and I don't know, I'm just very happy. So let's get into editing. Alright, so I'm gonna jump into the phone real quick, right? We're gonna go to an app in the App Store. It's a free app that comes on the iPhone. It's called iMovie. Some phones you have to go into the App Store to download it. Some it just appears in the phone itself. So if you're not seeing it in the phone, head over to the App Store, type iMovie, download it. It's free. So when you get on the screen, you're gonna see a square with a plus sign. So you're gonna hit that, and then it's gonna say new project. Now you have the option between doing a movie or a trailer. We're not doing a trailer today, so we're going over to a movie. Then we're going to look for the footage that you took with your iPhone, or if you had imported a footage from your camera, whatever it is. But this is where you're going to now look for the footage that you want to edit, right? So we're going to go here, and I'm going to select this footage, press that, and then this footage, press that. So those are the two things, and then I'm going to hit create movie. Let's walk you through the different things. If you press on this plus sign, this is where you can go and add more things. So you can add moments, anything from your videos, photos, audios, camera. You can do a voiceover or add a file, right? If you click that plus sign. If you press this settings, you can add a filter any one of these filters over the video, you can select this to add a theme. You can click a soundtrack, which they give to you, which I don't use that because it usually is not very good. And you can do fade in the back, fade in the front, speed changes, etc. But we're not doing any of those today, or at least not yet, so that's just what's in settings. So we're gonna take a look at the footage real quick. This is what it's looking like. We're gonna try to cut out all the things that we don't want. So we do our first chop, and this is it. So in this app, it's called split. So we're gonna now try to split the things that we don't want to be in the video, right?
So today, so hey guys, welcome.
All right.
So hey guys.
So as you can see, we're just cutting out. We're cutting out what we don't want.
So hey guys, welcome back to Rushalyn, and today we're gonna learn. So hey guys.
Again. We're gonna split it. Go again. Ready?
So hey guys, welcome back to Rushalyn, and today we're gonna learn how to fry plantain. A half a plantain here. Off already and don't eat off. Showing on fry the next off. You see me? So what we need? We need a knife. Knife. See? Knife. Plantain. A cutting board.
This button is the undo.
You see me? So what we need? We need a knife. Knife. See? Knife.
Let's cut here. And then let's just cut here. When I'm almost about to start planting.
Knife. Planting.
And then we're gonna cut here. And we're gonna bring it just to when I'm about to say cutting board. So now, look.
Knife. Planting. A cutting board.
See? Get out the stuff we don't need. We don't need the extraness.
And I'm gonna show y'all how it's done. So come in the gloves. How it's done.
There's all of these things. We're gonna get rid of them.
So this is plantain, right? And this is how I peel it. So I'm gonna go some.
Split.
And it's like so. Skin off. So I'm gonna go skin off. So I'm gonna go some skin off.
See, let's cut out what's not needed.
Like show you the pouring of the oil. You see me?
See, just go through and cut. Cut out what's not needed. Cut. Cut. You need to cut it.
Oil. You see?
It's so just a lot of cutting. Alright, so there are several controls in the app, right? So I just did the cutting. Now, in order, say you were doing a part of your vlog or your video where you said something that you don't want to be heard in the video, or you had a background music playing that you know you're gonna get copyright strike from, so you need to remove that. So what we do is we click on the video itself, and then we go down to this speaker sign here, and then you can turn the volume up or down. When it's down, it's obviously off, so there's no music, no audio will come from that footage. As you can see, if I play it here, you're hearing something, but if I turn it down, you hear nothing. So all of these I have no music. All of these I have no music on it. So what I'm gonna do is just add a background music. And to do that, we're gonna hit the plus sign, hit audio, go to my music or soundtrack or wherever you have your songs. Wherever you have any other songs, and I have mine in here, so let's see which one I'll actually want to use. And that's the track. This green thing here is the track. I don't like this. I'm gonna hit the scissors and then press delete. It doesn't go with the tone of it. Let's see if we do this one.
So hey guys, welcome back to Rushalin, and today we're gonna learn how to fry plantain. You know, my fried off already and don't eat off, so there you go.
Let's turn down the volume of the music a little bit.
Show me how to fry the next off. You see me? So what we need? We need a knife, plantain, a cutting board. So this is plantain, right? And this is how I peel it. So I'm going to some skin off.
So for like this footage, we can turn the volume off where I'm actually peeling the plantain. And then there's also the option to speed up and to slow down. So I'm gonna actually speed up this part by clicking on the clock thing here, and you slide it to the right to speed it up or to the left to slow it down. But I want it sped up, so I'm gonna do it to the right, and then this is it now. And I actually want to turn the sounds off on these ones, so I'm gonna bring it down, bring it down, bring it down, bring it down, bring it down. So it's like this now. So this is where I'm gonna add a transition now. Now that the plantain is finished, now the plantain is finished frying, and I'm gonna now start talking. So we click here, and you can add the dissolve transition so that when it moves, it goes over like this. We can also slow down the transition or speed it up. We can have it 1.5 seconds long. So it takes a little slower to transition into it. Or we can use a slide transition where it goes like that. Or we can use a wipe. Or we can use fade. So we're gonna use, or we can use one from the theme. So we're gonna use the dissolve. So it's gonna go like this, like that.
I'm gonna take them out before them start burning because I know say plantain unforgiving.
So what we're gonna do now is to add text. So in the beginning, let's say we click on here, we're gonna click on the T, right? And we're gonna click on, let's try prism. And then I'm gonna write how fry plantain with Rushelin. Something like that. Done. Right? This, it limits you, so you can either, it limits you to as to where exactly you can put the text or not. So it's either in the center or in the lower corner. Let's undo. And just before I start saying we're going to learn how to what, I'm going to split it right here.
Fry plantain. I don't know if you guys. Plantain.
So right where I stop saying plantain, this is where I'm gonna cut it. And then in this middle clip here, this is where I'm gonna put the text. And then it will say now, fry plantain with Rushelin. So then it looks like this when it starts.
So hey guys, welcome back to Rushelin, and today we're gonna learn how to fry plantain. I don't know if you guys know, but plantain is literally death.
Okay, we also want to add my social media handles. So right where I'm about to say, remember to like, share, let's split it. And then that's where we put now lower. And then I'm gonna write like, comment, share. And then to the bottom I'm gonna write subscribe. So then it looks like this.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on all social media pages.
So where it says subscribe, it stops right there. I'm gonna split it again and then turn the text to none here, and then I'm gonna start with a new one that tells you to follow me on all social media pages at Rushelin. So I'm gonna write follow at Rushelin. So it's like this now.
On all social media pages,
and then I split it so that it stops right here. So you see now, it's like this.
And remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on all social media pages. And I don't know, I'm just very happy. So let's get into editing.
Let's say I wanted to change the color of the back part here to black and white. I could have just gone into these three dots here and then go this, go blockbuster, go blue, go camel, black and white. See?
I don't know, I'm just very happy.
And then I can always split it again and then have this one be without a filter, none. So look, so it goes from like this.
I don't know, I'm just very happy. So let's get into editing.
Got it? So now that we're done, what you do is press done, and then you can press this middle button here, and then you can export the project. You can airdrop it to someone, upload it directly to Instagram, directly to YouTube, or send it. But my suggestion is always to export the project first, and then you'll save it as 1080p. And when it goes into your camera library, then from there, that's where you would upload it to YouTube. And it's as simple as that. I know it may seem like a lot of work, but It's a lot of work the first time you do it. The second time it becomes a whole lot easier. So I implore you to just practice, and it can be done. As you guys see from the footage, it's actually good, right? It's not bad. So you can actually get good, decent editing from your iPhone. And there are other apps that have like a lot more features. Some of them are paid, some of them are not, but this one is the one that comes with the iPhone, and it is relatively easy. The others take a lot more learning, so you can of course research those. I can leave some suggestions in the description bar below, but I definitely recommend iMovie. This is what I used for 2+ years in the beginning straight, and now I use it on and off. So yeah, I hope you guys found this video helpful. I want to thank you so much for watching. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave them down below in the description bar, and I'll definitely try to answer them as best as possible. Again, I just want to thank you. Remember to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok at Rushalyn. And remember to like, comment, share this video, please. Share it with all your friends. Subscribe to the channel. We're on the road to 10K. Thank you guys so much for the support. So this is where I'm going to leave you now, and I'll see you with another video very soon.
So hey guys, welcome back to Rushalyn, and today we're gonna learn how to fry plantain. I don't know if you guys know, but plantain is literally definitely one of my favorite things to cook and eat. To fry, to bake, to toast, to microwave. I mean, I do just about anything you can imagine with a plantain because I really love plantains. So I have a half a plantain here. You know, I'm fried off already and don't eat off. So I'm gonna show you I'm fry the next off. You see me? So what we need? We need a knife, plantain, a cutting board. So this is plantain, right? And this is how I peel it. So I'm gonna cut some skin off. So now it's clear that my plantains are finished, so I'm going to take them out before them start burning, because I know say plantain unforgiving. So let's do that now. There you have it. That's cooking with Rushalyn. We made plantains. I hope you guys now know how to fry plantains. Quick, simple, and easy. And I just want to thank you guys. And remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on all social media pages. And I don't know, I'm just very happy. So let's get into editing.